Hey guys, and welcome back to Timeless Spoon, where we'll be making and learning about a 6 centuries old dish long served during the Ming Dynasty. Phoenix chicken. Our recipe will stay as closest to the original Ming era as possible using soy sauce, ground up cinnamon, fresh ginger, raw honey, sesame oil, and chicken thighs. As we prepare our ingredients, it's worth noting that the Ming era cuisine emphasized balance, not excess. Sweetness was restrained, spices were deliberate, and every element served a purpose. The dishes from this era weren't about boldness, but harmony and balance, a philosophy which directly ties to the name of this dish. While the dragon symbolizes imperial authority, the phoenix was actually associated with peace, virtue, and moral balance. Even more so during celebratory contexts, as serving a phoenix-named dish was never casual. It carried meaning. So now, our rested chicken is ready to slice, brush, and taste alongside friends. And I'll just say, the chicken was flying off the counter. The deep notes of cinnamon, ginger, and sesame really elevated the chicken, making it that much more rustic, fragrant, and addictive. And the glaze deserves a special S-tier mention. I'm surprised the honey caramelized as well. Oh, and I have to mention, this dish paired perfectly with some 600-year-old forbidden black rice recipe, which, if you haven't checked out, you can click on the video that pops up to explore the history behind that dish too. And if you like this type of content, please consider subscribing. Alright, that's it. I'm out.